In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple listings on eBay. Whether you're uploading a bunch of different items, selling a stack of identical products, or offering one item with several options, there's a clear path for each situation. I'll walk you through all three so you can choose the one that fits your inventory and stay aligned with eBay's policies. First, if each item is different, you'll create separate listings the standard way. Sign into your eBay Seller Hub on a desktop browser, then head to Listings and open Active, or simply choose Sell and Create Listing. For each item, click Create Listing and fill in the essentials: your title, photos, a clear description, the correct category, and your price and quantity. When it looks good, click Save and Publish. Then repeat the process for your next item. This approach ensures every unique product appears on its own in search results. To avoid issues with eBay's duplicate listing policy, make sure each listing truly describes a distinct item and keep your titles and descriptions specific so buyers immediately understand what makes each one different. Next, if you have multiple identical items, keep everything in a single listing and update the quantity instead of creating duplicates. In the listing form, choose a fixed price or buy it now format rather than auction. Then set the quantity field to the total number you have available. eBay will display your stock count to buyers and automatically reduce it as orders come in. This keeps your catalog tidy, consolidates your sales and reviews on one page, and helps buyers see that the item is in steady supply without cluttering search results. Finally, if you're selling one product with different options, like sizes, colors, or models, use a single listing with variations. Start a new listing in Seller Hub and choose Fixed Price in the pricing section. Look for the Variations area and click Create Variations. If you don't see it, open the More Options or Settings gear to enable it. Add attributes such as color and size, then enter the options for each. Upload photos that represent each variation clearly, and set the specific price and quantity for every variant. Complete the remaining details, then click Save and Publish. Shoppers will see a clean drop-down or matrix, like red, medium, all within one listing, which counts as a single entry while offering multiple choices. Choose the method that matches your inventory, and you'll list faster, stay organized, and present your products clearly to buyers.